Burundian 100 franc note. He is the prince of Burundian kingdom, Louis Guagasore. Backside, this is the national emblem of Burundi. Okay, it shows how the people making the house in Burundi. 500 franc Burundi. This is the national flag of Burundi. This is the Lake Tanganyika in Bujumbura. Its border lies with the four countries Burundi, Tanzania, DRC Congo, and Zambia. BRB means Banque de la République du Burundi, National Bank of Burundi, like RBI in India. 1000 franc of Burundi. It shows cow, hare, fish, birds. Okay, after dying cows, they are eating their meat, using skin for making clothes and other things. Backside, it shows the banana tree. 2000 franc of Burundi. They are doing the pineapple farming, so it shows here. Tea bagan. 5000 franc of Burundi. This is the national traditional dance Ingoma, and this is the national animal of Burundi, wild buffalo. This is the mountains terrains of Burundi, mostly in the north of Burundi. 10,000 franc of Burundi. Prince Louis Guagagore, first president of independent Burundi, second president of Burundi. Both are assassinated. Hippopotamus. This is the palm oil tree. Palm oil farming is so much in Burundi. 10,000 francs. It is the biggest currency in Burundi, and this series is latest launched by the government in 2007.